Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to give permission to Truecaller to delete messages. Really easy and simple. First go ahead and launch the Truecaller app and then come here at the top right and click on these three dots. Then I want you to open up settings, okay? Basically, click on the last option right here. And what you want to do is open up block, okay? Make sure your protection is turned on. So you do get basic for free. So here we have basic protection turned on. If you do have premium, you can turn it on up to max, which I do have, but don't worry, you can use basic. Okay. So you scroll down, make sure you toggle this one on if you want to get notified when these messages are being blocked. Now, what you need to do is make sure you have enabled the settings. So come here to your settings. Okay. Click on app management and then come to app list. Now we'll scroll down until we find Truecaller. So here we go. We'll scroll down. Truecaller should be right here. There we go. Open this up. Click on permissions and make sure SMS here is toggled on to allow. Okay, if it is not allowed, you'll see it somewhere right here. Go ahead and make sure it's allowed. And there you go. Really that easy and simple.